What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you live?
I live in Tokyo.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Can you help me? Yes, of course.
Where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading and swimming.
Do you like sports?
I like playing tennis.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
Do you like traveling?
I prefer staying at home.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
How was your day?
It was a busy day.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to visit my family.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the supermarket.
How do you spend your weekends?
I like to relax at home.
Do you have children?
I have 2 children.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Do you exercise regularly?
I don't exercise often.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
How much does this cost?
It costs $10.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Can I have a glass of water?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you like watching TV?
No, I don't watch much TV.
What do you like to do?
I like to read books.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
What is something you are good at?
I am good at drawing.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I like the rain.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is lemonade.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be an astronaut.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with friends makes me happy.
How do you stay organized?
I stay organized by using a planner.
What do you usually do after school?
After school, I usually do my homework.
How do you stay healthy?
I stay healthy by eating fruits and exercising.
What exercise do you like?
I like running.
Do you like art?
Yes, I like art.
What do you want to learn?
I want to learn to swim.
What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure books.
Do you like hot weather?
I prefer cool weather.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer cats.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
When are you leaving?
I am leaving tomorrow.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening relaxing.
What do you do for a living?
I am a dentist.
Why did you start exercising?
For a healthier lifestyle.